Had to make sure my mic was on. How you doing? Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been like I think it's only been a week. It's been like 1 week and I went missing in action. I needed some me time. I need to get my stuff together. But today, I'm back with another video. So, today's video is, I'm looking at my stuff here because it's gonna be real interesting. So, today's video is a Dollar Tree, yes honey, Dollar Tree, makeup haul look. So I'm going to tell you the items that I got from Dollar Tree and we're going to go from there. So, disclaimer, I do not buy my makeup from Dollar Tree. However, I thought that this would be really interesting. So, we're going to do this here. Unfortunately, you know, Dollar Tree does not have like, it's funny to say foundation and Dollar Tree in the same sentence, but Dollar Tree has foundation, but it's not for us melanin folk. So I was not able to get that. So I'm not gonna use a foundation, but I am gonna like dust my face, which is what I normally do with this, with my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the color dark. So this is the only product that is not from Dollar Tree. So first of all, let me show you guys what I got. So, I almost forgot. If you are new here, welcome to the family. If you are old, welcome back. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and like and comment on this video. Tell me what you think. Tell me what your Dollar Tree has to offer you, or if you've ever used Dollar Tree makeup. So let's get to it. Slightly scared of this video because I was vlogging earlier today and I saw that when I got my eyebrows did, I got like a mini hive up here. Don't look at my eyebrows, they look horrendous. The lady didn't know what she was doing, but instead of them taking more off my brows, I just left, and I will handle that later this week. But yeah, so okay, the items that I got, and I think I'm missing one. Okay, so this is more or less an experiment to see how this Dollar Tree makeup behaves. So without further ado, let's get it started. Anyways, let's get started. Show you what I got. So, I got this blushing brush from ColorMates, which is this one here. I got this ColorMates eyeshadow palette, which I'll be using. Now, we know that I am not an eyeshadow like expert, so honey, I can't give you blendy on like 5 different, like, no. We'll keep it cute, keep it simple. I got these 2 brushes, which I will be using. They actually had Wet n Wild, so I got Wet n Wild Enhance and Define mascara, so that is this one. I was going to get the lashes, but I was like, I like my eyelashes. I want them to stay where they at, so I'm not gonna do those. And then I also got Eternal Flame Gloss and Lipstick Duo. They fancy, from LA Colors. And that is this one. So we're gonna see if I can make a statement with a bold red lip, honey. And I got a eyeliner. I never do my brows. Like, it's not something that is a thing for me. I pretty much keep it simple, and I just wear my natural brows. I'll sometimes like touch them up a little bit, but not a lot. So I'm not gonna be doing my brows, even though, is it this one? Let me look at my mirror. She kind of messed this one up, but you know, we just not gonna go back. So whatever. As you can tell, I got a lot of energy today. I don't know why. I feel refreshed and renewed, but honey, tomorrow is Monday, so I need this little spurt. I'm dropping stuff, y'all. So, what is this? This is the crease brush. And this is the large eyeshadow brush, which I am opening. Let's choose some colors. What I got on? Nothing that matches in this palette. So y'all, I'm struggling. Okay, here we go. Let's get on in there. Boo boo. Boo boo boo. This me, y'all. Y'all are up close and personal. I'm looking at myself in the thing. Okay, so we can do some blue. We got some gold in here. I want to do some colors that's gonna like stand out. So let's just mix some stuff up. Okay, so my crease color is going to be I should do one side with one side with primer and one side without, so we can see how it comes out. So let's do that. So I'm going to put the primer over here. So we're going to put this on. I've never used this before. I got it from, and it's like, okay, well, okay. I got it from the beauty supply store and it was $1.99, so it ain't far from the Dollar Tree bucket. And it's just this right here. You gonna focus for me? That is that. So we are going to do this purple here. We're gonna do this purple right here at the bottom. Can y'all see? This one. I'm gonna do that purple all over. And they give you this right here. You know, the little basic joint. So I'm gonna try to use that just cause. It's not, let me add a little more. I see it really well, but I don't think it's picking up too well on the camera. So this is this side. So that's that. And then I'm gonna put it on this side without any. So I can definitely see a slight difference. This one has the primer, this one doesn't. It doesn't look as large on camera, like the difference doesn't look as large on camera, but it is. I'm putting a lot more on this eye to make it like look like the other one. So, okay. So I had to pack a lot more on this eye to get it to look like the other one. It's like dust. What's the dust for the eyeshadow dust all over my table right now. So yeah, I like this one a lot better. The difference is subtle, but I can see the difference. So after we have taken our purple, we are going to mix it with some blue. I don't know, we mix it with some blue. We aquamarine facing it up. Or it's like a blue green. So we just colorful today. So I'm gonna take this one, or I may take the middle one if it'll focus on it. So one of those blues, and I'm not tipping the palette all the way because there's a lot of dust in there and I don't want it spilling everywhere. So we're gonna take like the blue green turquoisey color. I'm still using my little joint from inside of the thingy. Woo! I'm all off the camera, y'all. Let me tip this down. We looking real crazy right now. Real crazy. You see that blue purple going on? Boy, do we see it. That stark line in the middle. So we gonna try to make it look a little better, y'all. Don't worry, don't worry. I mean, look, just cause, you know, I don't know which one is which. Is this is the crease brush. I'm just wiping it off. So this was the crease brush, and this is kind of in my crease. Yeah. So if you're looking for like proper usage of brushes, you won't find that here, because I'm generally like not knowing what I'm doing for real. This brush feels terrible, might I add, like for anything. This is supposed to be the full eyeshadow all over brush, and it feels terrible. So I put that in a little more blend. I'm trying to like blend it, but this brush is giving me the flux. I would like it if it wasn't. Okay, so that's that. And then I'm gonna throw some gold on top to kind of like subdue it. I don't know if that works, but we're gonna try today. I feel like I really should get a real blending brush. I got one in my room. I just really don't want to get up, y'all. I'm lazy. So it's looking real crazy right now. But that's okay. That is okay. We never said it was going to be perfect. We mixed two bright ass colors. So there we go. I kind of like it. I'm trying to close my eyes so y'all can see. But that's that. Oh, I was putting on a red lip. We didn't think this through, did we? No. So maybe I can, let me go on top of it. I'm gonna go on top of it with like this pinky gold. It's like a pinky gold in there, and I'm just putting it on top of this blue. We just mixing everything together, girl. Cause we just trying to like see how these work. And we gonna pray for my skin that I don't get no bumps on my eyes, cause yeah. I really need a blending brush or something. Okay, so this is that. I'm looking at it with y'all, looking real crazy, mad crazy. Then I'm gonna rub around my whole face with my mineralized skin finish. So, got the skin finish on. Put our mineralized skin finish on. Now we finna go in with this eyeliner from Dollar Tree. Okay. Eyeliner is on. And then, what else I got here? Oh, we gotta do our mascara. Look, I'm almost cute. What you mean? The stuff is so hard to open, honey. Like, yo, I am struggling. Okay, there we go. And this is Wet n Wild Mega Wear mascara. And now we are gonna go for this blush, which is pink as hell. But it was the only color that they had. I feel like they must not be expecting us to be shopping at Dollar Tree for makeup. And we not, but it's okay. I mean, you know, you never know. People give it to their kids to like play in or experiment with, because they don't want them touching their makeup. So let me show y'all the brush that it comes with. This is it here. This is the brush. And I see that it's not in focus, but let's see. Yeah, this is the brush it comes with. Kind of scared to use this brush. Let me tilt y'all back up. I got the blush on. The eyeliner giving you raccoon realness. Now we got the pop for your money. We got this red lip, honey. Oh, wait a minute. I brought a little highlighter. So this is not $1, but it was close. It was like $3. And it's just a highlighter palette that I already had that I do not really use. So this is gonna be like the reject look. Got a little bit on there. Woo, this is red, honey. I should have saw if they had a, and it is high shine. It says moisturizes lips with color and shine. This video is long as hell. So this is it. You can tell from there that it's super red. All right, y'all. I'm bad at lipstick, if you couldn't already tell. I feel like, I don't know what it looked like. So, backstory, I'm gonna have to like wash this right off because I have a terrible habit of breaking out. Like my lips will completely swell, so I'm hoping they don't swell. I feel like I like bozo right now. It take a lot to get to that red color. It pick up nice on camera. So that is the lipstick side. Let me put a little gloss on top. And it's red too. It's like a high shine red gloss. I'm gonna put that on top. And it smells, oh, I'm scared. It smells like bubble gum and it's making my lips itch. So this is it. This is the full look, guys. What you think? Let me fluff up a little bit. Okay. This is the full look. I know y'all like, girl, this girl is not serious. I'm serious. Giving you bozo realness, honey. I am okay with this lip gloss. I'm okay with it. But the rest of it, I don't know. So, let's see. Tell me what you guys think down in the comment section. Do I look crazy as hell or am I tripping? Or what on this do you think looks presentable? Or did Dollar Tree, you know, are they really out here giving folks slay for $1 price? Let me know. I'll see you guys in the next video. As always, I am Adanae. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.